Hey guys, welcome to the Practical Printer. My name's Matthew and I got into 3D printing a couple of years ago, and the main reason I got into it was for more of a DIY and repair mindset. I do a lot of my own repairs around the house. I do a lot of fixes on things, and when I saw 3D printers I knew that they were going to be a great thing to have in the house as a tool to kind of help expand what I can do here. I knew prices were going to come down eventually. After a few years they got to the point where they were pretty reasonable. You're looking at between $200 and $300 now on average for the one that I use. That's something that the cost is easily justifiable when you look at the options you have once you learn how to use these things. It doesn't take too awful long to learn. There is a learning curve to it, but this is stuff that they're teaching in STEM programs in school now, so it's something that can be picked up with just a little bit of practice. I started this channel so I can kind of help teach and share that information. I see a lot of channels that teach a lot of the basics and they share a lot of what they do, but a lot of that stuff is more geared towards kind of the techie people or cosplay type stuff. You see people printing Iron Man suits, Mandalorian helmets, all kinds of stuff like that. I don't see as much on the actual practical side, which is more of what I do and what really makes these justifiable in a lot of homes and businesses. Whereas when you're looking at from that point, it's a much narrower area of people that are going to be interested. So if that's something that interests you, I'd love if you go ahead and subscribe. You can see these videos as they come out. You can leave comments, any questions you have about how to do anything, any questions about the printers themselves, what can be printed, what the limitations are. Anything like that I can help you out with. Just send me a comment or send me a message. We can get it figured out, and anything that you do want to see, if you just let me know, I'll try and work those into future videos. These things, once people really start figuring out how to use them, what they're capable of, I think are going to become a lot more commonplace in houses, especially in businesses. I have a little business I run out of the house and I use it all the time to make tools, stuff like that I need, that I would either have to pay a lot more for, or even if it's a cheaper item, sometimes you gotta get shipped, and this is gonna be even faster than that. They're not a super fast machine, but they are gonna be a lot faster than waiting a week on shipping. So if you are interested in learning anything about these, if it's something that you think you might be interested in at some point, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. You can see some of my future videos and kind of narrow down if this is something that you might be interested in. Thank you and have a nice day.